Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, a man from the Jews of the Banu Zurayq called Lubayd bin Asam bewitched Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and consequently Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would fancy that he had performed some task, whereas he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had not actually performed that task until one day or one night. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam made supplication and then again made supplication and then again made supplication, and thereafter he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Aisha, do you know Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has notified me of what I asked him about? Two men came to me, one of them sat by my head and the other beside my feet. The one who was sitting by my head said to the one who was sitting beside my feet, or the one who was sitting beside my feet said to the one who was sitting by my head, what is distressing this person? The second one said, he has been charmed. The first one asked, who has cast the spell on him? The other replied, Lubayd bin Asam. The first one asked, on what things? He replied, on the comb and the hairs fallen by a comb, and said, on the other husk of a male date palm. The first one asked, where are these things? The second one replied, in the well of the Arwan. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by his some companions radiyallahu anhum, made for that well. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, O Aisha, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the water of that well seemed to be the essence of Hema, and the date palms of that area seemed to be the Satan's head. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha narrated that she submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why did you not burn it? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has granted me recovery, and I dislike to foment tumult among people, so I passed orders to bury that. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5667.